Today, I woke up to the big news. Newsflash, iRobots are now taking over managerial decisions. Don't believe it? Well, here's the full news. In a move that shook the business world, Realbotix has made history by appointing Aria, a humanoid AI robot, as an advisor to the board of directors. This decision marks a major turning point in leadership, especially in the corporate world. It is a major decision to include AI robots in decision-making roles. I am surprised Realbotix made such a daring move, which made other companies rethink their strategies. So, who is this robot, and why did she get this job? Let's dive deep into this question, discussing some surprising facts about Aria. Aria's unique capabilities. Aria is not just some fancy robot that sits like a showpiece in a meeting. She has been developed using decision-making algorithms. This means that Aria can process large amounts of data within seconds, search for the latest trends, and offer amazing strategies backed by data. With her ability to predict market rises and falls and risks, she offers a new level of foresight and clarity that human advisors simply can't compete with. She provides a fresh opinion on strategies that can be of use in various ways. These include product development and finding ways to increase customer engagement. Ari's ability to make unbiased recommendations backed by billions of data points makes it a highly valuable addition to a board, said the CEO of Realbotix. We appointed Aria as an advisor to our board to further drive efficient, smart decision-making. This marks a significant advancement globally in the use of AI, and we expect to see other boards follow suit in the years to come. Realbotix's management seems to be widely approving of Aria. They view this as the next level interaction between humans and AI. Why Realbotix chose AI over humans? Realbotix's decision to choose Aria as an advisor isn't just a publicity stunt. It's a unique strategy. In a time when companies have to make decisions based on recent data, Realbotix chose AI to do the job. Imagine a world where a robot's 24/7 data processing replaces the lengthy human decision-making process. Realbotix is convinced that Aria's ability to work without emotions or tiredness could transform the business world as we know it. Aria is also not biased by race, gender, or any sort of politics. While human board advisors bring some level of originality, they're also limited by personal biases. What this means for human leaders. While some celebrate AI as the next big venture in business, others, like me, worry about its effect on human leadership and employment. As this technology upgrades, it's becoming clear that AI will be in every type of business, from operations to advisors. But can AI, with all its cool skills, understand ethical issues or complex interpersonal relationships? Comparing Realbotix to other industry leaders, Realbotix isn't the only company invested in the potential of AI. Tesla, through its Optimus robot, is pushing boundaries and upgrading it continuously. Apple and OpenAI are investing heavily in AI as well, but they haven't gotten into corporate roles yet, at least not publicly. While these companies focus on personal assistance and autonomous cars, Realbotix is getting ahead by using AI for corporate purposes. This bold move sets Realbotix apart as a leader, but the question remains, will other companies follow soon? The future of AI robots in business. Aria signals the start of a new stage in leadership, where humans are assisted by AI robots, or even where robots are at the head. Picture a future where AI board members are the new normal, and humans are just employed as advisors to them. These leaders could make strategies faster than any human could. However, this change won't be without its challenges. Questions about the potential for AI to take over decision-making will need to be addressed. A revolution or a risk? As AI robots like Aria move into positions of power, we're seeing a corporate revolution. Whatever happens next, one thing is clear. Realbotix's decision is shaping the future of business, and the world is watching. Subscribe for more information on AI robots and technology. Share with your friends to start interesting questions.